Learn 5 skills in 4 weeks and earn $100 per month. Skill number 1. Graphic design. Every business needs visual content, logos, social media posts, banners, you name it. If you learn how to create eye-catching designs using tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop, you can start offering services to clients online. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect places to get started. Plus, you can create passive income by selling templates or design resources. Skill number 2. Social media management. Skill number 2. Social media management. With almost everyone on social media, businesses are always looking for someone to manage their profiles and grow their online presence. If you learn how to schedule posts, create engaging content, and track analytics, you can easily land clients looking to improve their brand visibility. And the best part? You can do all of this remotely. Skill number 3. Freelance writing. Skill number 3. Freelance writing. Do you have a way with words? You can write articles, blog posts, or even product descriptions for websites. Companies are always looking for quality content to engage their audience. And with platforms like Medium or freelance websites, you can quickly find opportunities that pay well. Skill number 4. Virtual assistants. Skill number 4. Virtual assistants. As businesses grow, they need help with administrative tasks. From managing emails to organizing schedules, you can assist entrepreneurs and busy professionals without leaving your home. This skill is in high demand, and with a few simple tools, you can start helping clients today. Skill number 5. YouTube automation and video editing. And last but not least, skill number 5. YouTube automation and video editing. With the rise of content creators, YouTube automation tools are in high demand. Learn how to create compelling videos, automate posting schedules, and use video editing software to help clients grow their YouTube channels. With the right skills, you can manage YouTube channels and earn money from the ads and affiliate links. Now that you know the 5 skills, it's time to take action. Start learning these skills today, and in just 4 weeks, you'll be ready to start earning your first $100 or more. Remember, consistency is key, and with determination, you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Subscribe for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online. Let's start your journey to success today.